All right, got the HD Wi-Fi camera clock. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. So looks like I got sticky on this side and this side that I've already cut. And pull off the lid here. Like inside we got a manual with a pin here. This will be for resetting the device if you need to. Like we got some information about the vendor as well as instructional booklet. Looks like we got a note from the seller, vendor maybe. Yeah, letter from the seller. Warranty information. Looks like we got some QR codes here for some videos on YouTube. And a little suggestion about keeping it plugged in. Inside the box, it looks like we have a pry tool, a microfiber cloth, the IP camera, a panda bear something. I'll check that out later. Let's pull these out here. Oh, just dump it. There we go. Okay, here's the device itself. We'll look at that in a second. Looks like we got some foam. This is some pretty sturdy foam here. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it looks like we got a wall charger for a micro USB cable. And a little card here. Please remember to move the insulator. So you got to pry open what looks like where it plugs. So the side that has the power plug. So this right here, there's like a little notch right here that you put that blue pry tool in. You pop it up, and the battery will be in there. Yeah, so wow, this is nice and shiny. Looks like I got my fingerprints on it already. So this is the IP camera. Camera's in there, as you can see. Oh, look at that. You can see it in my phone. I'm filming this on an iPhone XS Max. Oh, there I am. There's my phone. But you can see. Oh man, where did it go? I just had it. My phone focused on the... Well, right here is the camera back here. So it looks like that's it for the unboxing. I'll make another video, I guess, how to set this up or how to use it or something. Micro USB connector. I imagine these holes right here are a microphone. So yeah, that's it. That is the, I don't know how to say that name. Kamre. IP camera.